all love adding way too much stuff to slime, here's some more crazy slime mixing action. First up, we'll be drizzling this blue clear slime into a ton of foam beads. Let's see how this slime turns out when it gets overloaded. So after mixing it in, the slime starts getting a lot tougher and it was pretty stiff. It was also really crunchy and was super satisfying to play with. Doing a slime poop with this was actually pretty good, surprisingly. Originally, I thought it wouldn't work as well because it was so solid. Next up, we'll be adding way too much chunky iridescent glitter to this purple clear slime. Guys, I'm in love with this. It looks so satisfying. Honestly, you just can't go wrong with glitter. Even if you add too much, it just makes it look super aesthetic. Check out how the colors get reflected by the glitter. Oh my gosh, so cool. It's got a mermaidy look. For this next one, we'll be mixing in too much of these beads. So this actually turned out really crunchy and was easy to mold into any shape. Squishing this sometimes is a little bit painful, so if you do this at home, try not to squish too hard. Next, we'll be mixing in these pom-poms into clear slime. Guys, pom-poms have this weird texture that kind of makes it like a sandbag, a bunch of tiny, colorful sandbags. We added some glitter and it gave it this frosty look. So anyways, let's mix in this clear slime and see how it turns out. This is really satisfying to squish because the texture was so different. but after a while of squishing, most of the slime was absorbed by the pom-poms, so it was starting to fall apart. For this last one, we had these lipsticks lying around the house, and I have no idea how long they've been around for, but I wasn't gonna use them because I feel like they were expired and they'd be totally bad for me. So let's mix them all into the slime. So guys, making these lipsticks felt so bad, but we do it for the aesthetic. Since these were cream lipsticks, it was hard to press them in because they were almost rock solid. So instead, we cut them up into little pieces before mixing them all in. It made a huge mess on the table, but eventually we ended up with this nice pinkish red color. It was also super clicky and the scent of the lipstick was drifting everywhere. Alright guys, I was adding too much ingredients to slime. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and let us know down below if you have any ingredients you want us to add too much of for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and click notifications for more slime videos. We make 3 a week, so I'll see you guys super soon. Bye! Love you!